Check out how easy it is to get almost 160 pounds up in the air. It's the ABZ L30, and next time we'll be spraying with this drone, but today we're breaking down how to set up your first spray mission. And first thing we're going to do is go to Google Earth. We're going to ABZ State Park, and you'll want to select this, which will let you add a path or polygon. We do already have a test shape, so we're just going to use that. This is going to be where our drone is going to fly. And once you select that shape, you do get a bit more information. Going to change the name to Park Converted, and then we'll just export as a KML file. And once we do that, we're going to go to this site, MapRs. It's a free site, you don't have to sign up, and going to create a shapefile zip. So we'll just go to our downloads file, select the file, and then we have the location and the shape right there, and just convert it. And once we have that file, we want to put it on a microSD card and then place that in the controller. So we'll go there. All right, and once we get the microSD card in the controller, we're going to open up the ABZ Control app, and then we're going to go to the Go to Fly view. We're going to go to this button here, and we're going to select the SHP/area drawing. For this case, we'll be using the sprayer. We're going to select this button here. We're going to select SHP for mission. And in our case, we're going to select Park Converted. And now you can see where the drone will be flying and spraying. And also you can change some of the parameters. So you can change the flight, altitude, whether you want relative altitude or if you want to follow the terrain altitude. You can also adjust routing. You can increase or decrease spacing, whether or not you want to do more passes. You can also adjust the angle. And then for the sprayer, you can adjust how much your drone is spraying. Then finally in statistics, it'll just show you how much of an area you're covering and how much material you're using for the spraying. So in the next video, once we're connected back to the drone, we'll be out in the field and we'll show you how this mission works. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.